The job market is evolving rapidly, and artificial intelligence is reshaping our professional landscape. Adaptability is key. The most critical skill today is the ability to be a lifelong learner. AI changes the rules, making it vital to update your skills continuously to stay relevant. Employers are seeking individuals who can grow alongside their companies and embrace new challenges. Imagine knowing how to interpret data. It's a skill you need to thrive in this new era. Familiarity with AI tools like chatbots and automated scheduling makes you an invaluable asset. Understanding basic coding opens up new possibilities. Simple languages like Python could enhance your profile tremendously. Digital communication skills are essential as remote work becomes the norm in today's corporate environment. Stay engaged in the field. Take online courses and connect with like-minded professionals to expand your knowledge. In this AI-driven world, the future is bright for those willing to learn and adapt tirelessly.